Alright, here we have a key to a Toyota Camry 2019 model year. It's the switchblade style, so that'll pop out. It'll reveal this little opening here. So then you will kind of use that to pop the little cover off. So then this comes off. It will reveal a little orange guard here, which I've never seen one of those before. Keeps it protected. And then you can actually use this small little spot right on the end there and use it to fit inside that little spot right there. That will get the battery to actually pop out. So if I could do this while filming. Alright, so I got it to pop out. So then you just get it, or turn it upside down, I guess. It is also a 2032, very common battery size for automotive keys. So once you have your new battery, you'll just pop it in, press it down, put your gasket back on there, or whatever that is, flip this on here, press down, put your key away, and that's how you change the battery on a Toyota Camry key fob. Thank you for watching.